And today, a judge issued a blunt warning to former U.S. President Donald Trump's legal team that all necessary measures to safeguard the legal proceedings will be taken. Prosecutors were seeking a protective order to prevent Trump from publicly sharing evidence in the election interference case. Our Jackson Proskow is outside the courthouse with more. Jackson.
Farah, Judge Tanya Chutkin made it clear that even though Donald Trump is running a presidential campaign, politics will have no influence over her decisions regarding the case. Today's hearing was over a dispute about what Trump and his defense team can reveal about the government's evidence of Trump's efforts to overturn the 2020 election. Prosecutors wanted a blanket protection order. The judge rejected that, but did implement some significant limits. For example, Trump can review materials, but his lawyers have to make sure that he doesn't take any information with him or make copies, and he can't have any electronic devices in the room. Prosecutors pointed out that Trump has shown a tendency to hang on to materials that he simply shouldn't have. 11.6 million pages of evidence and a hard drive will soon be turned over to Trump's legal team. Prosecutors have argued that any public disclosure of that evidence could have a chilling effect on witnesses, especially after Trump's recent social media post in which he stated, "If you go after me, I'm coming after you." The judge warned that all of Trump's behavior and statements are covered by conditions of his release that were set out last week. The other major dispute here is over the timing of a trial. Prosecutors have proposed a January 2nd, 2024 start date, just as the presidential primaries get underway. Trump has said there should be no trial until after the November election. A decision on trial timing will be made later this month. The judge warned that any statements that could be seen as tainting the jury pool will only add to the urgency for a speedy trial. Farah?
Jackson Proskow in Washington. Thank you, Jackson.